You might kick my ass in this game. Oh god, my game.
Get a move on. So I am moving as fast as like the king of these nuts. You already know who it is.
Did I hit?
No, I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive.
Let's fix that.
No. Well, yes, actually. Oh shit! What?
I ran straight into you.
I did not mean to spin like that. For some reason, whenever I move my mouse like a lot, it like it flips out. Oh, did I get you?
Yeah, you got.
I just kind of watched your body go like and grind across the ground at like Mach 19,000 million, because that's a real speed. Oh my god, I cannot get going fast.
Hi, buddy.
Muscle Man is intensely gay. You know it. Come on. I keep wanting to turn around to shoot you, but I keep remembering that kind of needs momentum for this game.
Hello, Iowan. I am coming. Oh, hey.
Wait, no. Hello, Fortnite gamer.
What did you say? I thought it go right past me. I heard the sound just a second.
Come on. I heard that. No.
How do we hit each other? God damn it.
Oh shit. That's confusing. Ah.
I saw your face. I special sections of the Gregorian calendar.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh shit. Go, move. Oh my booty cheeks right now, bro. This freaking Sirens of Lists of Iowa just DM'd me. My dogs kicked me in the balls. Shit, what the? Oh my booty cheeks.
Hiya. Of course everything has become fucking nightclub party ass motherfucking looking.
My screen is gray. I mean it's gay. I mean it's gray.
I mean, I think your screen is gay considering all the fucking rainbows on it.
That makes your screen gay too.
Shut up.
With your butt cheek. You are a. You know, I hope Grimace freaking does the thug shaker on you, bro.
What?
Grimace does the thug shake. Oh my god.
You know
Dude, I
that?
cannot get momentum in this business.
In this business?
There we go. We're jumping. Holy shit. What an interesting gun sound. Oh! Shit.
So, Cockatiel jump scare.
I'm bouncing off of walls like a Blinko machine. Help! Help!
Ah!
Yes! Shit. Oh my god!
I was
This
just
is like
having mental.
sensory overload for some odd reason. It's freaking me out. Dude, I was going so fast. I was deflecting off the walls, and it was making me even faster. I could not slow down. So I had to try to use at least like 2,000% of my brain power just to be able to shoot at you. My brain is turning into potatoes because I can't really use my brain for that long because I'm kind of like unintelligent.
I mean, you are a potato, so I'm not surprised you're turning into.
Go, go, go. It did not like that. I will say that.
I don't sometimes just because my
We're going fast. Oh shit, you're going way much faster. Way much faster.
Iowan knows how to work.
The
The nut cave.
Oh, I'm going there.
I'm sorry, you're what?
I didn't say anything. Wall, do the thug shaker.
We should stop being idiots and a half. I can't.
I mean, we're not always idiots and a half.
I name a single time we have not been idiots and a half.
April 27th, 1975. And I wall right, please.
Yeah, the whole reason we weren't idiots is because we hadn't existed yet. Okay, oh shit. Oh. Okay, what
Oh my
these
God.
sounds you're making, Iowan?
Sorry, the anxiety is starting to get to my booty cheeks. Oh. No!
If you turn around and then bounce off of a wall, you can instantly. Oh my God! So
Did you just do it?
Yeah, it like sent me at Mach 7.
Oh my God, I think your body just hit my body.
Kinky.
Bro, ain't no way you just said that.
I fucked up. It didn't bounce properly.
Go, Ku Klux Klan.
What?
Holy shit. Booty cheeks.
I'm
You got mail.
Grimace shaker. We need that grimace shaker. We need a grimace. Not really.
That's what I do the entire goddamn time. I just hold down shift. I have had shift held down this entire fucking time.
Oh, it actually really gets you. It gets you momentum.
I mean, yeah, that's how you get going and keep going. Oh God, I've become a ping pong ball.
What?
Did you not see how fast I was going?
Oh my God! I watched that happen.
Peter, Peter, Osama bin Laden's in our living room, Peter.
Can I fuck her?
Yes. No.
Shut up, you senile bitch.
Megalodon.
Did you say Megalodon?
Do the dog shaker. Dog shake. Shake. Not know why.
Oh!
I saw you, shot, and killed you. I am a police officer. Bro, I am getting so close to absolutely wrecking you.
I'm getting so
With
close
this gun.
to aim. My corpse will continue to haunt you till the end of time.
That's hot.
Iowa, your definition, you have some weird fetishes.
Bro. Gosh darn it, dude. You screwed up my momentum, you freaking booty.
Banjo, I think, owns a siren. I forgot what. He owns a lot of siren-related stuff and is like, you know, an actual siren enthusiast. He went to SirenCon, I believe.
He did?
Yeah.
What?
I think that's
Intelligent.
The grimace shaker!
You better believe it if I upload this as a cup.
I said the grimace shaker and no RJs, and I just looked at the no RJs and Zim said no.
I killed you. I spawn killed you, Iowa. I'm sorry.
You butthole. Slide. Cha cha real smooth.
My body bounced.
Hit that slide. Hit that slide. Hit that slide. What just happened?
You know, it is that things aren't moving because of how fast you're going. Ah!
Did I get you? Oh, I did. Kind of skipped past me. Booty cheeks right now, bro. Oh.
Boys. I haven't slid it. Oh god, you didn't see what just happened behind you.
No. Oh shit! Go. This music is perfect. No. Slide. 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 Just like smack the wall. No.
I just want Gregory separated from your head.
Oh my god, Kid McDonald's French fries dog shake.
What?
Or else I'm gonna call Osama bin Laden on you. Oh my god!
Stock Roblox song. That was the sound of my nuts getting tickled at high speeds. God damn it!
At Mach speed.
Anymore. And I'm trying to live. Where are
Starman tickle time.
What?
Where am I going? Shit!
Shit, fuck.
Ugh. That's what I'm saying. Oh, so,
You hit a wall. Great fucking job, dumbass.
shut.
You
Dude,
were-
one day,
you were not born.
no,
You were created in the lab.
while we were fetuses, we were hitting the gritty in the womb.
Oh, that's what they talk about when.
I barely heard any of that sentence because you breathed into the mic and AGC just murdered it. Oh my god, you're going fast! I'm gonna ask my mom if it was true if I was hitting the gritty in her womb.
I mean, all the power to you, but what?
Oh my god!
Going?
Holy crap, bro. I'm sweating right now. I need to turn on my ceiling fan. Oh my god, I'm going fast. What the? I just hit a wall, did like 5 360 turns, and tried to analyze where I was.
I love you, Iowan.
Bro, that's so random.
Wait.
You're dead! You're dead!
I'm not dead. I am tickling my nuts on a fucking cardboard box. Ah!
Now you're dead. Dude. Hashtag relatable. Why is everything dark colors?
I just shot randomly at where I thought you were, because I can't see shit going this fast. It's like trying to process the world while being put into a fucking blender that's also falling out of an aircraft.
What a strange, way to describe it. Describes who he is. He's like, silent enthusiast, booty cheeks, blah blah blah. And then you scroll, you look down a little bit. There's like a little space, and then the next thing I read was, what were they called? The freaking female versions of the chipmunks, bro. Chipettes? I don't even know. I think it was something like that, but that was interesting. Yay! Ryan!
Oh, I licked Gregory's now.
Understandable.
What? That's not understandable.
There's an understandable urge.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
Surprisingly, your AGC didn't want to go like.
Because I'm trying to get my microphone as far away from me right now so AGC stops having a fucking test.
Dang it. Boot fart shark. I'm intelligent. Oh my god, I just watched you body that wall.
I'm gonna body you in a fucking second. Get here. I want to get a one tap on you, baby. Fuck!
Oh no, dude. Meat Canyon just uploaded a video called Grimace Birthday Shake.
Oh no!
No!
They what?
He uploaded a video called Grimace Birthday Shake.
Oh no!
Welcome to this new reaction video.
Are we still playing, or do you want to pause so we can react to that stupidity?
Alright, let's react to it.
Okay.
Take a break from the gaming for a second.
Hey, I mean, I would want to be in this position. Ah! Oh god! Bro, why is it the moment we start fucking making jokes about Grimace, that fucking video gets uploaded?
I do not know.
Oh god, you think porn exists of Grimace?
On this episode of Mythbuster.
I mean, I could go on to E61 right now and check it.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm curious, but I also don't want to know.
Because I have a feeling it might.
It probably does. It's probably photos depicting how the Grimace Shake is made.
You know, considering some of the stuff that exists on that website, that's probably
Oh
not
my
too far
god,
off.
what the?
Because there is stuff relating to that. Look into what it is and you realize how it was some dude like selling, I think, coconut milk. It was not coconut milk.
Get a nice slide. Juju on that beat.
Can I tickle you?
No!
Bro, I said Iowan into panic mode.
Grimace tickle time, 18 plus.
Grimace 18 plus. Okay.
Grimace needs all of I went to McDonald's once and there was a Grimace chair and I sat in the Grimace chair and he ate my booty cheeks. Grimace ate my booty cheeks.
Oh, we were
I'm not even-
this one time. I just tickled my nut hair. Fucking
16-inch long hairs.
I'm sorry, what?
Dude.
We are so
this is-
fucking retarded.
It's funny. You're retarded.
I'm Tinker Reese.
Oh! I see those bullets. How are you going that fast,
Cause
bro?
I'm
How are you
bouncing
getting?
off of the wall. Like directly, I'm like doing 180s.
The Grimace shaker, bro. How much do you think Grimace is packing?
God damn it, Iowan. I don't have
think
my
it's just-
feeling.
it's just- It's just me getting all hot and bothered about thinking about Grimace.
Shut up. I get all hot and bothered about Grimace. You messages because I'm not ruining my perfect reputation of never saying anything weird.
Bro, you've already ruined that.
No.
Yep.
No, you need to ruin yours now. I mean, somebody said they were sexually attracted to. What did they say they were sexually attracted to? Oh god, what did they say? What was it? They were fucking talking about something. It was some sort of mascot or something. It was a something. Who was it? I know somebody was. It was the VMA Awards. Yeah, totally. That's totally what it was.
But is it with Grimace though?
No, Grimace will not be involved.
This is rigged.
You're not Squidward 578. Do not say this is rigged to everything.
Where even has the that dude's like been dead? What even happened to him?
I mean, the last message I got from him was him telling me not to overdose. So.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I am skipping across. I'm dead.
I'm so sorry that the hairs are becoming sentient. What? You're still questioning the shit I say?
Yeah, a little bit.
I thought you would have been used to my stupidity.
Bro, for some reason I'm moving so fast I can't even process that I'm moving. Like, I'm being honest. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh, I hit that wall.
I went to the wall! I went to the wall! No! Iowan,
Guy
you do know
broski.
at Siren Con I am gonna still give you an Indian burn.
I will let you do that.
I mean, are you sure you want to do that?
I guess.
I mean, if your skin is kind of weird, it might flick off, but...
Whatever.
Basically,
it'll
involves
repair.
grabbing somebody's arm with two hands and then twisting your hands in opposite directions.
Isn't that basically like that snake? It's like the thing where it's like the snake bite thing. Where like you do that to someone, they like grab it and it's like you freaking twist their skin different directions on their arm.
Huh. I guess that's your term. Here we call it an Indian burn.
I think I heard it referred to as a So I hit the wall, went flying, did about 500 freaking backflips, landed it. I'm sick.
You're
Terminally
pinky.
ill. I'm terminally ill.
So am I.
What do you have?
Stupidity.
Same here. I just watched you bounce off the wall and freaking do like 25,000 somersaults within a 0.5 seconds. Alright. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Bro just shoved his foot in my fucking mouth. What was that? So for a single frame, ow, 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 ow.
You sound like a retarded chihuahua.
I mean, we have a few of those. Including a really fat one. Well, we had a few of those is a better way to put it. Now there's only one, and it's a fat motherfucker.
Get it on a diet, Nikocado avocado. Whenever it drops its food, you like.
It was me, but it's our grandmother. She wants to feed it everything and make it as fat as possible.
Dude, whenever that dog probably drops any like bit of food, it goes and cries like Nikocado avocado. I know it.
I mean, it cried like that without dropping food. I pet it once and it was crying like that. I'm not joking.
Alright.
It sounds exactly like the sound you just made.
What going?
Yeah.
My vocal cords are not liking me.
I
They
mean,
haven't
I
been
could
liking me for the
probably-
past 5 days.
I mean, I could probably find the audio recording I have of that dog making those sounds.
Alright, I'm gonna see if I can kill you like one more time, or if you kill me one more time, and then I'm gonna head out, take a
Erotic
shower,
temple torture.
go to harbor. Sign me up! I'm kidding.
I'm gonna clip the video there.
Did I tell you about my friend Maddox?
Yes, you've already told us
Yes.
a billion times.
Yes. Alright, that's it guys, that is it for that is it for this pedophile gaming video.